Hey there, entrepreneurs and future investors. Welcome back to the Business Circle with Sino M. So this is where we talk about business, money, and making smart financial moves. So if you've been thinking about investing, but you just felt so overwhelmed by all the jargon that's there, you're in the right place. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down EasyEquities, which is one of the simplest ways to start investing in stock markets, ETFs, and even fractional shares. So do make sure you like, subscribe, and be ready to learn and grow financially. So please make sure to subscribe and like the video before we continue, and hit the share button if you know anyone who would benefit from this video. So by the end of this video, you should know exactly how to set up your account, buy your first investment, and build confidence in your investing journey. So let's get started. So first things first, what is EasyEquities? EasyEquities is an online investment platform that allows everyday people like you and me to invest in local and international stocks without having the need to know huge financial backgrounds or having huge money. So the best part is that you can buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need to afford a full share of the big company like Tesla, Amazon, or Naspa, but you can invest as little as R5. So EasyEquities is so great for beginners because it's user-friendly, low cost, and doesn't require a financial degree to get started. Isn't that great? Let's set up your account. So here's a step-by-step guide. 1. You need to go to EasyEquities website or download the app on Android or iOS. 2. Click sign up and enter your details, name, email address, and create a password. 3. Verify your email and log into your account. 4. Complete FICA verification by uploading a copy of your ID and proof of address. This step is required by law, so it's to help to prevent any fraud. And then number 5, find your account and you can deposit money via EFT, card payment, and even using vouchers. Once your account is verified and funded, then you are all set and ready to start on your investing. Okay, so let's talk about buying your first share. So when buying your first share, you go on Invest Now and then choose between the different markets. So there's the South African market, the US market, the Australia market. And then when you're there, you can browse between available stocks and ETFs. So if you're unsure where to start, look at well-known companies that you know and comfortable with, like MTN or ShopRite or Coca-Cola. And then you click buy and decide how much you want to invest. So you don't have to buy the full share. You can start with small, even R5, 10 Rand, it's up to you. And then you can review your purchase and confirm the transaction. And then that's that. You're officially an investor. So as an investor, you need some tips to know what to do. So here are some investing tips for beginners. So before you go all in, here are some smart investing tips that you can follow. 1, you can start with ETFs. So if you're new, exchange traded funds, ETFs are a safer way to get started because they spread your risk. 2, invest what you can afford to lose. So stocks going up and down. So only invest money that you won't need in the short term. Next, think long term. The stock market isn't a quick money scheme. Aim for long-term growth. Next, diversify your investments. So don't put all your money in one company. Spread it out across different companies or industries. Next, keep learning. So follow financial news, watch investment content like this one, and improve your financial literacy. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to getting started with EasyEquities. Now it's your turn. Have you invested before, or are you just getting started? Drop me a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you and know your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more content on business, money tips. And also please check out the description for a free downloadable checklist that will help you start your investing with confidence. Until the next time, keep investing in your future. Bye. So there you have it, your step-by-step